Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Veracity. Veracity has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, during the price correction, it has formed another falling wedge pattern that is smaller than the previous one, and now the movement is very squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can break this pattern very soon, and I will also show you how it can break this pattern and what can be the target. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for auction, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And there is a play button available on every chart there. You just need to click that play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buy zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after August 2021, it was moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern. But while moving inside this wedge, we have broken down so many significant supports. Like we had a very strong support zone that was starting from 1.2 cents and goes to $0.0095, approximately at 1 cent. And you can see that previously this level was breaking as a very nice support zone here, and here as well. But during this drop inside this falling wedge pattern, when we got rejection here in the month of March 2022, after that we had this very massive drop. The price then broke down this very significant support zone and found another very nice support here at $0.0035. And for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support here. And before that, here, back in the month of Feb 2021, during this rally, it was breaking as a very strong resistance as well. Almost for 2 or 3 weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance. And finally, the price then broke down this support as well and dropped down at this next support of $0.0021. And now we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, that was a nice short rally after the breakout. From this low to this high, you can see it was more than 434% pump. But the price and could not again break out this strong resistance zone because the previous support is now flipped into a very strong resistance. Now, we are moving inside in another falling wedge pattern. And if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have found another downtrend line support, and the price line is now very squeezed inside this smaller falling wedge pattern that is formed on the daily time frame chart recently. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern as well. This is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. But if the price line breaks down the support of this newly formed smaller falling wedge pattern on this daily time frame chart, by the way, we are now switched to the daily time frame chart to watch this smaller falling wedge pattern. Then the target for the breakdown will be here. That will be very close to the support of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And in my point of view, after this breakdown, it can also test the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. And once the price will be able to break out the falling wedge pattern, and then the target for the smaller falling wedge pattern that I was showing you on the daily time frame is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at half cent. And the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 1.2 cents. And the final target for this biggest falling wedge pattern that is already broken out in the month of January 2023. And the target is approximately between 9 cents to 10 cents. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.